Elakov Production is a modern engineering company specializing in precision machining and tool making. We have important partnerships with companies from many different sectors of industry, including aerospace, automotive, and optoelectronics. We offer our customers a complex and active cooperation, from the design of fixtures to production process optimization to manufacturing on our modern machines. Our main focus is on 5-axis CNC milling, where we are equipped with a whole range of machining centers with the potential for further growth. By laying great emphasis on every detail, we endeavor to meet the requirements of even the most demanding industries. Our other services include the design, manufacture and repairing of tools, single-purpose devices and mechanical or hydraulic holding fixtures. Ongoing and final inspections of all our production is carried out by a dedicated team of experts. Quality is our highest priority. Careful planning of capacities contributes to timely delivery and overall customer satisfaction. Let us convince you of our qualities. We look forward to cooperating with you.